Welcome everybody, it's Quant Guy here with another crypto update. Just wanted to fill you in on a project I've been looking at. It's called Gate.io. And this is an introduction to that platform, and we're going to do some token analysis. So discuss a little bit about what Gate.io is all about, and do some technical analysis on their token. So what is Gate.io? Gate.io is a crypto exchange featuring a global access blockchain assets trading platform. It has rich features, including an NFT marketplace and API for developers. It allows users to trade spot and futures with over $1 billion worth of assets traded in each of those things, spot and futures, on a daily basis. GTUSDT is their own token, right? So the Gate token has that symbol GTUSDT, and that's the symbol you would put into TradingView if you want to use their services to take a look at the chart. GT is the native token of the Gate chain mainnet. It is formally the exchange token of Gate.io as of 2020. Initially had a circulation of about 1 billion tokens, but 0.7 billion of those were burned, and the current circulating supply is about 0.3 billion. Now, let's get to some technicals. Okay, so price analysis, some key takeaways that I've noticed in this chart. GTUSD has been steadily rising. It has been resistant to a lot of the crypto sell-offs in the majors, has very strong support from some Fibonacci levels. We're going to get into those in a second, and has some very strong upside potential. So if we take a look at the chart here, I have two sets of Fibonacci's drawn, one on the left and one on the right. If you take a look, we have some very strong support here at the 50% Fibonacci level of the rightmost Fibonacci extension levels. And that roughly coincides with the 50% of the left-hand side here. I call that a nested Fibonacci level, by the way, when you have a relative agreement between those two values. As we see, we do appear to be making an attempt to go back up to that relative high there at 8.34. As we see, we're starting to see some resistance here from some of the Fibonacci levels in between. As far as technical analysis, again, strong general uptrend. The Kovach OBV here is very strong. Again, that's my indicator. You could get that on TradingView. It appears to be consolidating right now, finding value around 6 or 7 USDT. Again, meeting some resistance at those upper Fibonacci levels. However, I do feel this has a lot of strong upside potential. My targets for it are 834 to begin with. Those are relative highs with 1188. That is essentially a Fibonacci extension level, which is very close to those all-time highs from which I anchored the leftmost retracement levels. Support, if it does retrace, we can take a look at some of the areas where we might find support. A good strong area of support looks to be at about the 50% Fibonacci level. That's about $5.48. The psychological level of $5 is another strong candidate, and that roughly coincides with the 38.2% Fibonacci level when anchoring in all-time highs, right? So it's effectively this level right here. So sorry, this one right here. So that's pretty much it for my analysis of Gate.io. Again, it's a great trading platform. Might want to take a look at it, and also at their Gate.io token. This is something that I think has strong upside potential, very strong uptrend here, a lot of nice support, and a lot of very tangible profit targets along the way. So thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.